So the motor claims area is the insurance company's time to shine. So basically my role in motor claims in Kenco underwriting is an investigative role. My main aim is to gather incident-related data, so to determine liability and cover. This helps me help the claimant from the initial first notification stages all the way to the settlement stage. Essentially, no 2 days are the same in motor claims. A typical day starts with more time-sensitive issues, like evidence that may expire soon and you need to obtain it as soon as possible, so to ensure the fairest outcome for your claimant. Or as simple as organising car hire for someone who's stuck on the side of the road or needs to get to work or a doctor's appointment. The afternoon, the second half of the day, is super straightforward. You can relax, you can work on general admin stuff, you can work on payments, diaries, just your general day-to-day. Before joining the insurance industry, I actually studied to be a dental technician. I thought this is what I wanted to do. It looked super cool. And when I finished and started working in it, I could foresee that there really wasn't much career growth. So I was lucky enough to get an opportunity to work in a service provider that handles motor claims for bigger insurance companies. They gave me the training and experience I needed, just basic enough. In the first year, it's really straightforward. And each year you got to know much more complex, different types of claims. You're never gonna know every claim that's gonna come on your desk because there's just so many variables, but it really gives you a great foundation. So after 3 years of experience, I was able to move on to bigger insurance companies who were providing me with more responsibilities, like complaints handling, where you handle the hardest part of claims, is the most upset people, and you want to resolve any of their complaints and bring them back to a happy medium. There are a few core skills that I can think of that you would require early on. One of the most important ones, I think, and it's super straightforward, it's just listening. All you have to do is listen to the information that's been given to you by the claimants, by the service providers, and that'll help you walk the claimant through the claims process. So the next most important core skill I can think of is communication skills. You only ever talk to the policyholder in the motor claims team when they've had an accident, which for most people is not a pleasant time and can be one of the most stressful times in their lives. So you being patient, empathetic, and clearly communicating what the next steps are goes a long way in the whole process. I am very grateful for the opportunities this industry has afforded me, and I'm super excited for what's to come. As a motor claims handler with a couple of years experience and my CIP, I would say the next steps are going into personal injuries, casualty, special investigations unit, or recoveries. After a busy week in the office, I like to do simple things like walk my dog, go on hikes around Ireland, socialise with my friends, colleagues, family. I also am an active member of the Insurance Institute of Dublin. We organise social networking events, and I also get to attend them. For as long as I've been in the insurance industry, I've also been volunteering for the Irish Blue Cross, which, if you don't know about it, it's a low-cost veterinary care service, and I'm really, really passionate about it.